Today we're going to be talking about greasing schedule, the importance of greasing your machine. Before we get started, first thing you should do is go to the owner's area, download the information that is specific to your machine. Whether you have a 400 series, a 500 series, the 650, or one of our European models, all the information for your maintenance and your greasing will be on that website. We're going to take a look at the model that we have. In this case, we have a 500 series, and this is the case for every single one of our models. What we like to do is we want to break down the frequency of greasing. So ideally, when you look at this component of the machine, this is your daily. Everything that you do here is done on a daily basis. Everything from this point here is done on a weekly basis. Everything at this point is done on a monthly basis. And then right down below is what you're going to be greasing on an annual basis. Just make sure when you download your information that you see every grease point. Every single machine has a diagram that's attached to it. Every single machine, when it gets delivered to you, you're going to see a little red cap. It's extremely important that these red caps actually stay on the machine. You want to keep the dirt and the grime out. So when you have this cap on, it's actually protecting that end so that every time you put that end of the grease gun on, you're not forcing dirt and grime through. The other reason is it's a reminder to show you where all the grease points are. Starting with our daily, this one here is set up with a grease bank right below the seat. Right below the seat is your two lift arms and your bearings. These bearings are for your vertical top and bottom. These ones are crucial to be completed at the end of a shift. And what that's going to do is that's going to work the water out of the bearings. It's all about maintenance. Let's keep the water out of the bearings. This one here is for your blade. It's the top of the clevis. And there's going to be one directly below underneath. It's very crucial that this blade clevis gets a lot of grease. And that whole intent is to keep this wheel free moving. Those are the two spots that you're going to want to pay attention to and get as much grease into as possible, because the last thing you need is to have a sore shoulder because this is too tight to turn. You have a grease cert here and one on the other side. These are the ones right at the back here of your lift arms. Make sure that you get those on a daily basis as well. Very crucial that everything back here is done daily. The more maintenance that you do, the less downtime you're going to have. As part of your daily maintenance or even your weekly maintenance, there are two specific inserts that people are forgetting about. There's one situated right here by the gas pedal, and there's actually one right below here, which is your brake pedal. So those ones are the two that you need to be paying attention to as well. Even though you don't use the brake pedal as much, it's still a good idea to keep that one greased as much as possible. These are ideally done weekly, primarily when you do a blade change. But if you want, you can do these as often as you need to. Only a couple shots. You don't need more. You're going to end up getting too much grease buildup on the outside, and then you don't know if that grease is actually getting in because that grease nipple itself could be plugged. But it also causes more damage because when you're forcing too much grease through something, it will wear just as fast as having no grease. As part of your weekly maintenance, when you guys are doing your blade change, it is a very good idea to actually get this cover off. You're going to look at your belts, both for your wash water and for your auger. The auger will be a chain and the other wash water will be a belt. Just check for the tension. Make sure everything is nice and snug. And once you've gone through that, get your cover back on and you're good to go. This is where we start to move into our monthly. We have grease certs on both sides here. We have grease certs just below, and that's going to be on both sides of the machine. As part of your annual grease schedule, you're going to find a few nipples below. So there's going to be two in the front here. One is going to be on the very front of the machine. The other one's just going to be on the other side. Along your drivetrain, there's going to be several as you go through. The more maintenance you do, the better it is for you. Less downtime. The machine is operating at best capacity. Head over to our website, Zamboni.com, over to our owner's area, and make sure you download that manual.